Did you know that Pakistan's fruit bear or berry, also known as jujube in the world, is not only a delicious fruit but also has numerous health benefits? The bear tree grows easily in dry and arid regions, especially in Dhar and Khalistan areas. Bear is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and vitamin A, which are extremely beneficial for our skin, eyes, and immune system. This fruit is also packed with antioxidants, making it a superfood. The honey from the bear tree is also famous for its nutritional and healing properties. If you want to stay healthy, make sure to include nutrient-rich bear in your diet. The bear fruit is known for its sweet and tangy flavor, making it a popular choice for jams, jellies, and desserts. It is also used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve digestion. Additionally, the bear tree is environmentally friendly as it helps in preventing soil erosion and provides shade in hot climates. When consumed regularly, bear can help in improving overall health and well-being.